Hey everyone, welcome to the Web Infrastructure Design Project. This is the first milestone project in the sysadmin DevOps track. In this project, you will be whiteboarding a simple web infrastructure in order to show that you understand how web applications are served, how infrastructure is scaled, and a few of the trade-offs in system design schemas. You'll begin with a single server hosting the LAMP stack. LAMP stands for Linux, Apache Web Server, MySQL, and PHP. You'll need to draw and explain the various components of your server and how each is communicating with the other. As you're working through this task, make sure that you have a high-level overview of what a web server, application server, database, and codebase are, as well as what they do. As you read through the documentation of the respective components, you may find yourself overwhelmed by the amount of new conceptual data that you need to process. Please don't worry. As you progress through the curriculum, the inner workings of these complex systems will start to make more and more sense. For now, you just need to work at a high level of abstraction. Knowing that a web server such as Apache listens for HTTP requests on port 80 and is capable of returning static content is much more important than knowing the precise mechanics of how it's done. As an example of a simple 3-server architecture, you'll notice on this slide that I have 2 main servers complete with web and application server software for serving static and dynamic content respectively. The Web01 server is hosting my infrastructure's primary database, while Web02 is hosting the replica. Both servers contain a copy of my hypothetical company's codebase, and both are being monitored by an external monitoring service. Traffic is being distributed to my servers via a server configured for load balancing, and all 3 of my servers are being protected by firewalls. Your web infrastructure design may or may not end up looking like this, and it is up to you to decide how and why things end up looking the way that they do. This 3-server infrastructure is similar to what you'll end up working with by the end of the foundations portion of Holberton to host your Airbnb clone project. You'll need to be able to explain why certain technical decisions have been made and how the different components are communicating with each other and in what way. You also should learn to feel comfortable in talking about how you would scale your operation if the need arose. Good luck.